Welcome back. Today, Josh and I are talking duct tape. Really, really strong.
Strong duct tape.
So this is T-Rex duct tape, but it's T-Rex brute force duct tape, and it's really, really strong. I saw it at the builder show last year, and they had a thing set up, and it lifted, just with one loop around, it lifted 700 pounds. So I saw it with my own eyes. It wasn't a trick or anything.
It was amazing.
Yeah, so I knew it was strong, but Josh and I decided to have some fun out in the parking lot and try it out ourselves.
We did.
So what we did, we started with, we wanted to see how strong other regular duct tape was, so we took another brand that you'd heard of, and we hooked it up to my bumper, and we hooked it up to a scale. That first duct tape, we didn't even get it to the lamppost. Josh just broke it with his hands. It was kind of pathetic.
With my weight.
And it went up to what? How many
It's
pounds?
about 100 pounds, 120 pounds
120
maybe.
pounds. So then we hooked up the brute force and hooked it up to my truck, and I gave it, stretched it a little bit, and we got her up to what?
And we were sitting at her a couple 100 pounds pulling right there, like 220, 230.
Yep. So then I gave it just a little bit of gas, and it jumped up to 550, which the scale bottoms out at 550.
Yeah.
And then it finally did break, but...
Well, you buried the needle to
Right.
the pin,
Yeah.
and then it finally
I meant to
broke
get it.
after
Yeah,
2
yeah.
seconds.
So there's no doubt that
It
this
was
stuff...
impressive.
Yeah, there's no
Yeah.
doubt that this stuff is strong. We know it at least does 550.
And you can't tear it. I mean, it's strong
No, true.
stuff.
This
you
stuff,
have to.
you have to cut it with a knife or scissors.
Yes, yep.
And so it's a 25-yard roll. It goes for about $15 at Lowe's. So I mean, you think about it, a regular roll of duct tape, you can tarp a rip in a tarp or something.
Yep.
With this stuff, you can fix a broken fence post. I mean,
I like that.
It's really amazing.
Yes.
So if you want to see more, go to trex.com, and we will see you next time.